Ni hao, ni hao ma, wo hen hao. See, I'm asking ni hao ma, wo hen hao, ni ne, wo ye hen hao. So guys, today I will explain to you rough pattern in terms of because obviously we already have covered lesson one, lesson two, lesson three, lesson four, lesson five. So today we are in lesson number six. Now, for example, if I'm describing, maybe I'm asking. Now, for example, my name is Ankit. So you asked to a person, is this a Ankit teacher? Is this a Ankit trainer? Is this a Ankit trainer for Chinese language? You say yes, yes, yes. Ankit is a trainer for Chinese language. You say, is Ankit a student? You say, no, no, no. Ankit is not a student. Ankit is a trainer for Chinese language. So today I will explain to you how to say these type of terms in Chinese language. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, let me share the whiteboard to you, and obviously this pattern will help you out the moment you will speak with me. And today you have to speak after me. Okay, clear? Now, for example, if you say, is this, see, I will not use my name, I will use the Chinese people name. Now repeat after me. Cha wai shir wang lao shir ma. Repeat after me. Cha wai shir wang lao shir ma. Now what is cha? Listen to me very carefully today. The module is very important. Cha is this. Literally meaning of cha is this. Cha, cha, cha. Repeat after me. Cha. Cha wai shir wang lao shir ma. Shir. Shir is basically my ismr. Obviously, shir is 10 also. I will explain to you. Shir is my ismr also. And why is a major particle to describe a person. Because in Chinese, you do not have very typical grammar rules. In Chinese, basically, we have, the rules basically for the particles. If I'm describing a person, okay, I would say Chawai Shivang Lao Shir Ma. Miss, repeat karo, repeat after me. Chawai Shivang Lao Shir Ma. Repeat after me. Is this? I'm asking Cha is this? Why is my particle to describe a person? Okay. Shir is my ismr, Wang is my person name, and Lao Shir is my teacher Lao Shir, and Ma is my question particle. So we'll say Chawai Shirang Lao Shir. See, it's very simple. Chinese. Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir Ma. Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir. I'm asking, is this a Wang Lao Shir a teacher? Is this Ma? You say Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir. Yes, this Cha is this. Why is a major particle to a person. Shir is a ma. Wang is a teacher and Lao Shir. Wang is a name and Lao Shir is a teacher. So if you ask me, Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir ma. Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir. Now repeat after me. Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir ma. Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir. Na Wai Shir na is my dad. Na Wai Shir Chang Lao Shir ma. Repeat after me. Na Wai Shir Chang Lao Shir ma. I'm asking a question to you. Na Wai Shir Chang Lao Shir ma. Na Wai Shir Chang Lao Shir. Is that Chang a teacher? Because ZH, listen to me very carefully, ZH sound is ch, ch, ch. The sound of ZH is ch. Now I should Chang Lao Shir ma, now I should Chang Lao Shir, now I should Chang Lao Shir. Repeat after me. Now I Shir, na ya is also. If I will say, for example, now I Shir Lao Shir ma. Na why year, because we have son ton year. Now why year shir lao shir ma. It means is that a na why whenever I am asking for a person, I'm asking, is that also a teacher? Na is my that. Why is a particle for a person. Here is also shir is MR. Lao shir is a teacher. And ma is my question particle. The moment you will start this pattern from the day one task, which I have designed for you, which is already been uploaded. So you will come to know ma particle. Ma is my question. Now why here shir lao shir ma? Here shir lao shir. Here shir lao shir. Repeat after me. Here shir lao shir. Yeah, Shir Lao Shir, yes, also a teacher. If I'll say Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir Ma, I'll say Chawai Shir Wang Lao Shir. Na Wai Shir Chang Lao Shir Ma, Na Wai Shir Chang Lao Shir. Na Wai Yer Shir Lao Shir Ma, I'm asking to you. If I'll say now Wai Yer Shir Lao Shir Ma, Yer Shir Lao Shir, Yer Shir Lao Shir is also a teacher. Is also a teacher. Now Wai Yer Shir Lao Shir Ma, Ma is my question particle. Is it clear to you, team? So team, for example, if I will say where you all are going, you all, okay, Thaman Chunar, Thaman Chunar, Chu is my verb to go, Chu, Thaman Chu. If I will say Ni, Chunar, it means where you are going. Wochu, I go. Chu is my verb to go. I go. Wochu. Is it clear to you? Now, basically, let's recap the vocabulary. Che. Literally meaning of che is this in Chinese. Che. Because ZH sound is che. Why is a major word for a person. Why is a major word for a person. Shir. Literally meaning of shir is to be. Repeat after me. Shir is MR pattern. Lao shir. Repeat after me. Lao shir. Lao shir is a teacher. Is it clear to you? Na is that. Is it clear to you? Na. Chu is to go. Repeat after me. Na is that and chu is to go. Repeat after me. Nar. Nar is where. Na is that. Chu is to go. Nar is where. Repeat after me. Now, shir is also my number 10. Shir is to 10, and chur is here. Chur. Repeat after me. Now, so we have two different things. One, we have shir. Now, repeat after me. Shir. My tone is going down. Shir. This shir is basically belongs to my ismr. Is it clear to you? Now, one vocab. Okay, shunks. We have a new word. We already have done shunks. Okay, so we have share. This share is to 10. Share is to this lower tone, I would say is MR, and this share is to number 10. Okay, char. Repeat after me. Char is here. Repeat after me. Char. So char is this. Char is here. Na is that, and nar. I cannot say nar. Yes, but either I can say nar. So we have two things over here. Nar. Repeat after me. We have two nar. Nar. This nar is where, because we have a tone. Nar. Repeat after me. Nar. But one tone we have a lower tone. Nar. This nar is there. This nar is there because in Chinese we are working for a tone. Now, for example, I will say share. Share is my ismr. Share is my number 10. Okay, I will say nar. Thamanchu nar. Is where. You will say nar. That is there. Is it clear to you? Where? Nar. There. Nar. Where? Nar. There. Is it clear to you? Sachet sound. These are the Chinese sounds. Sachet. Repeat after me. Sachet. Literally meaning of sachet is magazine. Is it clear to you? Now, puns. Repeat after me. Puns. Sound of the Chinese. Puns. Literally meaning of puns is notebook. Is it clear to you, my team? So team, that how we are working for a pattern. Is it clear to you? So puns, notebook and exercise book. Sachet is a magazine. Nar is where? Shade is MR, sheet is number 10. So that how we're working for a pattern team. Okay, so I hope it will help you out, and definitely I will come back with my next lesson at the earliest. Okay, so by other I'm Sai Chen. Bye bye, take care. Sheshi, Ukachi.